So, we have a little announcement to make, and I have in my hand 3 leashes, and I wonder who they belong to. Well, purple, who would that be? Eleanor! Hi, Ellie! Hi! Do you want to tell everybody your news? She's like, no, I want to take a nap. And let's see. Red, who belongs to the red leash? I know you! Who are you? Are you Dino? Well, you used to be Dino, but what's your new name? Your new name is Oswald, right? And why do you have a new name, Ozzy? Oh, you want a cookie? Ozzy has a new name because he is now a permanent member of the family. His mom decided she couldn't keep him anymore, and so Ozzy is here to stay. Aren't you, Oswald? Yes, you are. Oh, and that's a very good trick you're doing there. Good job. Good job. Oh, again. We're going to do it again and again. But we still have one more leash. Blue. Now, who would Blue belong to? Everybody, I'd like you to meet the newest little love of my life. This is Ichabod. Iggy, you want to say hi to everyone? Iggy, would you like a cookie, buddy? Here, bud. You want a cookie? Oh, I think we're a little scared of Ozzy. Here. There you go. There's going to be a fight over the cookie now. Okay, Iggy got it. Good. So we have Ichabod, Oswald, and Eleanor. Our home has grown by 8 hooves in one day. Actually, how this all happened, I'm not that crazy that I agreed to. I dropped the phone. Are you still there? I hope so. Okay, well, sorry about that, everybody. I would redo this video, but it took me like an hour to get them all out here on leashes, so it doesn't look like it's going to happen. Anyway, so yeah, Dino was not supposed to stay. Dino, aka Ozzy, who is going so quickly you can't even see him. He's like a blur. He was supposed to be going back with his mom, but these two are going to try to fight now. No, there's still tails going. So hey, everybody, break it up. Well, we still have some social hierarchy things to work out, obviously. But Dino was not supposed to be staying. He was supposed to be going back to his mom this week. And in the meantime, a friend of mine posted Iggy's picture on my wall, and I spoke to his family, and they really needed a really good home for him. And I had been looking for a friend for Ellie, and I met him, and then he's so sweet and subdued and gentle in his personality type. I thought he and Ellie would get along together really, really well, so I decided to adopt him. There he is. Iggy, you're saying hi? And so I agreed to adopt him, and then the same day that we went to go pick him up, I got a call from Oswald's mom, Dino's mom, and she's like, well, turns out my situation is a little bit different than I expected, and I just really need you to adopt him now. And so I was like, well, okay then. Now we have 3 pigs. So yeah, now we have 3 pigs. Yeah. Well, we're really excited, and it's going to be fine, and we're super, we have a small, medium, large now, so, because Ozzy's still very tiny, and he's only less than a year old, and Ichabod is about 2.5 now, and Eleanor is going to be 14 this summer, so we've got small, medium, and large sizes, and we're really excited, and I think we're good on the swine for a while. I think 3 is our max, but we're really excited about it, and that's our crazy little anecdote I wanted to share today. So, surprise! Our home has grown by 8 feet, 8 hooves to be exact, and Eleanor is now a big sister. So we have Ellie, Iggy, and Ozzy. Eleanor, Ichabod, and Oswald. And where's Ozzy? There he is. Oswald, come here. There you are. Hey, buddy. I know, you still want another cookie. I know, and you don't really like this leash. I get it. And Eleanor's like, Mom, I hate being outside. Can we please go inside now? And Iggy is just like the most chillaxed. He's just like, hey, how you doing? What are we doing out here? So he's just chilling like a villain. He's cool. I'll take some more video of him later and post it. But for now, I should probably get these guys back inside into their climate-controlled environment that they love so much. Look, Ellie is like straining to get to the door. So, bye everybody. Bye for now. Say bye, boys. Say bye. Okay, bye.